it's Kate with WTI. We love hot sauce in our house. We use hot sauce every single day and we just think that it makes everything taste better. But this is our favorite brand of hot sauce. This is Marie Sharp's, and something that I love about her hot sauce is that it is preservative free. So hot sauce can have all kinds of preservatives in it, usually it does, but hers doesn't have any. It's just real ingredients, and I love that so much. This is one of my favorites. This is the grapefruit pulp habanero. It is so yummy. It has a really nice heat to it, and I just love the ingredients. The first ingredient is that grapefruit pulp. It's got habanero pepper, yellow habanero pepper, vinegar, onion, salt, lime juice, and garlic. Simple, amazing, right? Ingredients that you're like, I know what those are. So, so yummy. This is particularly delicious on fish. I mean, it's good on so many things, but I love putting this on fish when we make it at home. It's got such a unique flavor with that grapefruit pulp and such an amazing heat. And I, again, love that it doesn't have preservatives. It has real fresh ingredients, and you just can't beat that taste in a hot sauce. That's just my point of view.